Hey guys, so this is our first vlog, and what are we doing today, Tish?
Out and about. I'm not sure. Costco, Longos.
Oh, Tish is out and about, so trust me, it's not gonna be just Langos and Costco.
Probably will be.
Okay. Alright, well, come on guys. And this is what it looks like on the road today. Under normal circumstances, personally, I wouldn't go on the road. But Tisha will go on the road anytime,
Yeah.
even in a snowstorm.
Plus you're not feeling well.
Yeah, I'm kind of under the weather, guys. So okay, so whenever I'm under the weather, I feel like, well, normally I get an ice cap, but I know my sister does not like Tim Hortons, so I'm suggesting Starbucks.
Yeah.
They have a new banana something. That's the thing with Starbucks, so I'm gonna like.
Cold drink.
No, like me not like when we have to go and there's like 10 components to one drink. Me just want to go and order one ice cap,
Yeah.
and you know, say, you know what I mean?
You kind of have to do your research first
Yeah.
in terms of what you want,
Yeah.
and then.
But why me have to research to go order one drinks?
Because at Starbucks, I've never had any ice cap.
Yeah.
Everything is always warm
Warm.
for me. Yeah.
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 I miss English. This, you know, she ever drink tea. She always a drink hot tea, guys. You know, gas up.
Probably not. Maybe I do. I don't know. Of course I do.
No, because you always a drink hot tea. You can't imagine you the gas up.
Yeah. I probably have 3 warm beverages per day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So today is Tisha's husband's birthday, so I suggested Langos for the cake.
Yeah.
Really cute.
Yeah.
I love their fruits, Tish.
You do?
Yeah, I used to come and buy their fruits.
More than Costco?
Yeah, their
Really?
fruits fresh and nice.
Yeah.
Yummy. What kind of cake Nigel like?
He's not a cake person.
Okay.
But anything coconut would be nice.
Coconut.
Yeah.
That is.
Is that the word for it? Cannoli?
He looks so. Okay, so my sister's indecisive, and we didn't get a cake here, so I guess it's gonna be Costco cake.
Too rich. And I think Jamaica love not more too rich.
What do you mean, rich?
Maybe Clyding. They look Clyding.
Oh.
I don't know if a lot of people know that word. You know that word?
Clyding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Jamaica once told me they've never heard the word Clyding.
No, sir.
Yeah.
So there's a Starbucks in here, so we're gonna try.
Yeah.
CSO Starbucks. Starbucks expensive, no.
Two drink.
Two drink.
It's nice. I think mine could be creamier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this tastes good.
I think I should have told her to put maybe half a pump.
Mm-hmm. Half a pump of what?
The syrup. Make it less sweet.
Guys, this half a pump of this, half a pump of that, 2 pump of this. I can't bother with that.
She just like to go in order a drink. That's it.
Yeah.
But with Starbucks, you have to kind of know what you want to tell them.
Yeah, so that's why I go consistently past Starbucks, because like, if I know literally TikTok,
Yeah.
I go up and somebody talk about something and I can show them my phone with the ingredients, then I now go know what to order.
Or you can go in and order off the board. Like the drinks that they come out with, you can buy one of those
But you know, taste like when me
when you make
watch a video, them and the girl them say, put into this, to that, a shot of vanilla, this, that. You know what I
it. I
mean?
know. Yeah.
It's just not the same. Okay, so we're now in Costco. Maybe see how long we're gonna take in here, so now, cause this is my sister place. A problem in here now.
Lie.
I've never looked at their jewelry.
What?
No. For what?
What do you mean for what?
I mean, I like some old people jewelry.
Maybe I'm old then.
$149 for that. That not
You can
bad.
get good
That would make a
prices.
nice gift.
Alright. There you go.
Oh,
See, like there's always some good finds.
yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, bruh. What's that? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, but
If you like pick up buy it like in the store,
yeah,
it would be maybe
more expensive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like something like this would I buy, but I wouldn't buy for Nigel because Nigel don't.
Oh, me did I look on them? What do you?
Oh,
Yeah,
and I came up well, my name room service.
they feel nice.
Yeah.
It's a top and bottom.
This?
Yeah.
It's a
Top and
top and
side.
a bottom?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
This is more like my type of thing.
Yeah.
Like the easy fit me. I know kind of things on in there.
Eh?
I didn't know it was a top and a bottom.
Yeah, you have the
But
pants.
there's no more brown. Oh. What color did you buy?
Brown.
Oh gosh. Why did you show me?
Is it? Or is it?
Did you try it on?
I'll know me not try on. Me just know something love it.
I just
And me just get it.
But me have brown.
Finally, guys, she chose a cake. Oh my god. How do you feel that you've chose something, sis?
It doesn't really matter because Nigel doesn't like cake. I'm just buying it so you know you have a little
Yeah.
birthday. We're saying happy birthday with a
Okay.
little candle, but
Okay.
yeah, RJ alone go eat it.
Eh?
I look on
Where you look for, sis?
the cheapest one.
What you mean? All of them look the same.
No, they're not.
All of them look the same.
23.78. Oh, 22.96. That's a better price.
Seriously, sis?
Yeah.
God.
I'm saving almost $1.
Okay. Okay, sis. I will drink it.
Okay, I'll get this one.
2 hours later and we're still in Costco. Because that's my sister. She's gonna walk and she's gonna look and she's gonna look for the deals. She's gonna look for the deals. Yeah. So I opted to get the pineapple, but Goody say
$10. $10.
and that of the $5.99.
Exactly. For a couple of days,
Uh-huh.
I think.
Okay. So what you still look for?
A better one.
So this is the difference between me and my sister. She has the patience to search for stuff, but I don't. Me go just grab and go, just like convenience.
She's younger.
So me just buy and go.
We'll put that one back.
She figure put on the pineapple. She go find something else.
But you know what? Putting back the pineapple, allow me to buy something else.
Watch her. What?
Which one better?
She come in here with one assignment, guys. One assignment. And see where she reach Kangles.
I'm not buying, I'm just smelling.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's Costco.
Oh god. Watch her. Okay. What is that? $6.99 for just one pot? Wow. For one pot?
No, it's not.
Not a pot set?
No, for the set.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. No, but feel it.
Yeah, I feel nice.
Go, let it go.
Feel nice.
Yeah.
Guys, we come in here just to get fruits and a cake for her husband's birthday. And I know we can't come out of Costco. So, the pink.
Yeah.
Ooh. I know. I may have a big problem with them back here.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
I
they
love
have a big
this.
problem.
I love this. I would literally buy this right now
Why?
because of the pink.
The black and the pink? You can have the black, you have the...
$39 kind of dear.
Is it for 2 bottles?
Yeah, dear.
Oh.
Okay, so I am trying to explore wearing contacts, and my sis was telling me that Costco does trial. So we're gonna check it out and see if I can get trial. Well, then we can get brown, nice, pretty eye one. The glasses in Costco don't look bad at all. They actually look nice and they have high-end options. Like this Burberry is cute. I like this YSL right there. Oh, I'll try one shape like this. Okay, so 3 hours later. 3 hours later. Sister, try on glasses. I like that one, sis. I like that one for Nigel.
Yeah.
Yes. Trust me, that look nice for him.
You don't think it's too little?
No.
Do you feel like it should be more rectangle?
No.
Okay.
You can try this one too, the Raven.
She's joking. Should I joke? Anything you buy, you come back within that month,
Yeah.
cheaper, they'll give you your money back.
Yeah.
In Costco. I do that all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the time.
Listen, my sis knows the hack with everything.
Yeah, if I make a big purchase, every time I come to Costco, I'm gonna check.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that, you know, the price didn't go down.
Okay.
Yeah. If I buy appliances, fire and washer,
Yeah.
I got money back on it.
Yeah.
Even my steam mop, I got back money on it. Anything I buy, Lord, the only thing I probably don't follow up are food. Because
Yeah.
I don't want to be too petty. Or maybe they think me too petty. But sometimes if the food worth it, if me come and it's cheaper,
Yeah.
me I go customer service. I'm getting my money back.
Okay, so sis finally made up her mind and purchased the Meta Ray-Ban for hubby. I think this is a cute gift.
I'm not sure the price now, and I just
But I think it's a really nice gift.
I wasn't gonna buy him a gift because he said he didn't need anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sis said her budget for these would be
$200.
200. 200? Let's see. How much? How much you come to this?
$3.99.
A 2-time no million. A 2-time no million drop. What kind of dressing this in a snow? So we're finally home after spending the entire day at Costco.
The entire day?
Yes, the entire day. It's now 4:23 and we left here around after 9.
Lies.
Yes.
No.
Because Ryan did just the drop the kids
No,
out of
we left
school.
here around 12 o'clock.
No.
When Nia was talking to Aiden, it was after 11. When Nia come in the kitchen to make her dad breakfast, it was after 11.
I'm gonna have to fact check that.
Yeah, it was.
But we left
around
early.
12. No, 12 o'clock.
Oh, this is pretty. Oh,
Oh, you got that? You made it?
at school.
Oh, that's so cool.
It was water inside it and maybe it melted.
Yeah, I didn't know they were still making stuff like that at school.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're gonna cook now. I'm gonna
Oh,
make.
your picture is in it.
Yeah.
Look. Wait, can you?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
We're gonna make escovitch salmon, and my sister is gonna do some wings,
Yeah. With vegetable.
and then we're just gonna celebrate
Yeah.
Nigel's birthday, and that's pretty much the end of our day.
Yeah.
Out.
Peel it.
Whoa!
You pick these up. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God, we can't carry back enough.
Maybe we should pack it in.
Sis did our big one for hubby's birthday. It's cute little spread. Yummy. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raja. Happy birthday to you.
That's a big sup.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, yacht.
Yo.
Yeah, yacht.